Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color 6 Peppa Pig faces for all the colors of the rainbow. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw Peppa's 2 eyes. Then her nose and the shape of her head. I draw her a smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. Finally, her 2 ears. Great! Now I am going to repeat the same steps 5 more times. The reason why I draw her head 6 times is because I would like to color them after the colors of the rainbow. A rainbow has 6 basic colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. But you can use different colors, of course, if you want. Peppa Pig's favorite color is red. Mine too. She told her teacher, Madame Gazelle, when they learned about colors in playgroup. Good job! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to use some red for the first Peppa face. Red is the first color of the rainbow. Peppa wears a red dress almost every day. And the car of the pig family is red too. For the second Peppa face, I'm going to use orange, which is the second color of the rainbow. Mommy Pig's dress is orange too. For the third Peppa face, I use the third color of the rainbow, which is yellow. The house of the pig family is yellow too. The fourth face is going to be green, which is the following color of the rainbow. Daddy Pig's clothes are also green. I'm going to use the color blue for the fifth Peppa face. George Pig's clothes are also blue. I'm going to use purple for the last face. Peppa and George have a purple bunk bed. Pink would be the next color of the rainbow, like the skin of the piggies. Have you ever noticed that the colors of the pig family are the colors of the rainbow? Great job! Yippee! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.